Welcome to Shan's Big World 2019 time. Today's video, I found that we finally got an alert for us. See? There's an Abbott in Maryland. Get back up. Yeah, we got a hazardous weather outlook. Yeah, but I've did other alert videos for different states. What? Ooh. Hazardous weather outlooks for Maryland portion of Chesapeake Bay, Tidal, Potomac River, and 195 corridor through central Maryland, Northern Virginia, and District of Columbia. Day 1, today and tonight. A gale warning is in effect for all waters from 6 a.m. until 4 p.m. today. Days 2 through 7. For Thursday. There's a slight winter storm threat for Monday and Monday night. If a threat materializes, it may cause travel disruptions. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. I got to wrap this up. I still can't believe that we finally got an alert. We haven't got one for ourselves in a while. But now we finally got one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below, and press the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, not even one.